In 2010, selective catalytic reduction systems changed the game for diesel vehicles. Not only does SCR drastically slash emissions, it also allows manufacturers to develop more efficient engines. But over time, SCR systems can become hampered by harmful deposit buildup. These deposits cause extra back pressure, robbing you of fuel economy, torque, and performance. You know, the reasons you bought a diesel truck in the first place. People have tried for years to mitigate deposit buildup, but nobody was able to crack the code. Until now. Introducing BlueDEF Platinum, a new revolution in DEF technology from America's #1 brand. Platinum features advanced system shield technology, a formula that significantly reduces harmful deposits from forming to keep your vehicle operating at peak performance. Platinum is formulated to exacting international standards and backed by our purity guarantee, ensuring that only high-quality DEF will go in your truck. So, if you want to maintain optimum fuel economy, save money on costly repairs, and sustain the life of your SCR system mile after mile, put trust in your truck with BlueDEF Platinum. BlueDEF Platinum. The best just got better.